Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how easy it is to clean a bathroom exhaust fan. We'll specifically clean this Panasonic FV-11VF2 exhaust fan. First, make sure the exhaust fan is off, and here we go. Grab a step stool or ladder and pull down the grill. Squeeze one of the spring clips together with your fingers and pull it out of the mounting slot. Repeat for the other spring clip. Next, vacuum the built-up dust from the unit. Remove the 4 screws to remove the plastic cover plate and vacuum more dust. Now remove the power connector. Sorry for the shaky video. Remove the 4 mounting screws. Hold the fan with one hand while removing the last screw and lower the fan from the housing. Vacuum the dust from the housing. To clean the grill, simply hose the dust off, wipe, and let air dry. Same for the plastic cover plate. We can't hose down the motor, so we'll remove the fan wheel by removing this nut. Like most fans, the nut is removed by turning it clockwise. Now we can hose down the fan wheel and let it air dry. With a damp rag, wipe down the fan housing and motor. After everything is dry, reinstall in the reverse order. Install the fan wheel, locking plate, and nut. Tighten in the counterclockwise direction. A 1/2 inch standard socket was used. Gather the parts and head back to the bathroom. Install the 4 screws in each corner of the fan housing. To make it easier to install, insert the screwdriver into the head of the screw in the tight corner. Hold the screwdriver in place, lift the housing into place, and secure the screw. Tighten the other 3 screws and confirm that the fan housing is held securely in place. Reconnect the power connector and turn on the fan. See that the fan starts up and that there are no unusual noise or vibrations. Turn off the fan and reinstall the cover plate and grill. One more thing to do. Turn on the fan and see that the fan can hold up a sheet of toilet paper. All good. Here's another video that might interest you.